In this video, I will show you how to set up Macard Wi-Fi extender. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED on the extender to turn solid or blink, indicating it is powered on. On your computer or smartphone, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's network name, SSID, which might look like Macard Wifi XT or something similar, and connect to it. Open any web browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari. Type the extender's default IP address, usually 192.168.10.1, or as mentioned in the user manual, into the address bar and press Enter. Enter the default login credentials, often admin/admin, or check the manual for default credentials. Click Login to access the setup page. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password for your existing Wi-Fi network to allow the extender to connect to it. Click Apply or Connect to complete the setup. Once the connection is established, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Make sure it is within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.